Hi, this is Erin Harrison coming to you from IT Expo at the Austin Convention Center. And I'm joined today by Domingo Guerra, who's the president and founder of Appthority. Welcome, Domingo.
Thanks, Erin.
Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
So tell us about Appthority and what you guys do.
Appthority, we're the creators of the space called mobile app risk management. We aim to be the authority in app security, and we help companies that are struggling with their BYOD or bring your own device movement as that turns into bring your own apps. We can scan apps for both Android and iOS for malware and other risks, from corporate privacy to data exfiltration. And then we can create customized reports so that IT decision makers can make the right decision and the right policy for their mobile deployments.
And tell us about who is your end customer and really what are the security concerns that they have.
End customers are organizations, large and small, that are struggling with consumers bringing their own device to work and bringing their own apps. We've seen a lot of fragmentation in the market as far as app developers. In the traditional software space, IT would purchase software from a few large recognized vendors, Oracle, SAP, or Microsoft, for example. But in the mobile spot, from the top 50 apps, we see at least 40 different unique developers. So that's very difficult for IT to know their reputation, know what they develop, and know what those apps can do behind the scenes. We bring that information to them.
Okay. And, you know, BYOD is obviously a huge topic at the show this week. What are some of the solutions that you provide, and what are some of the challenges that you're seeing?
We see a lot of confusion in the market as IT switches from the BlackBerry model to the consumerization model, where they're either iPhones or Android devices coming in. There's a lot of confusion too as to what's the right solution for them. Traditionally, the only solution was really MDM, or mobile device management. But there's an emergence of new trends like mobile app management or enterprise app stores, virtualization or containerization, or even sandboxing of apps.
Okay. And you guys put out some news recently that you're one of 16 finalists selected by the Department of Defense. Tell us about that.
We're really excited. We were named one of those Signet 16, and that's the top 16 companies in the security space as evaluated by IT professionals in the Department of Defense and in the defense industry. Okay,
any other trends you want to talk about?
Well, yeah, the trend of just mobile app risk management, it's a new trend, but it's gaining a lot of traction. IT departments don't have to treat apps as a black box anymore, and having insight into what apps do is a great way to build mobile policy as to what kind of apps can be used on which kind of employee or job role, depending on the data that they manage. So it's an interesting technology, and I encourage people to take a look at our website at appthority.com.
Okay, and are you seeing cloud become more mainstream, or is there still a lot of concern around security?
Absolutely. A lot of enterprises don't realize that they're already using the cloud, sometimes indirectly, from employees bringing tools like Evernote or Dropbox or Box.net to their own sales team using Salesforce. A lot of the data that the enterprise houses is already making its way into the cloud. So it's better to be proactive and implement security and policy around it than assume it's not there and hope it'll go away, because it's a movement that's here to stay.
Absolutely. And what's next for Appthority?
At Appthority, we're getting ready for the next set of conferences. So we'll be at App Nation, and then we'll be at the RSA conference early next year as well.
Okay, Domingo, thanks so much.
Thanks, Erin.